Hey guys, it's been a while. Today, I'm going to be taking a look at the Lychee switches from Dangkeebs. This is what they look like. And I currently have them in this board. Looking at them, you can kind of see how they get their name, but they surprisingly also feel like what you'd imagine Lychee as a switch to feel like. A bit rough, but soft on the inside. The switches are going to cost you about $6.50 for 10 switches, so 65 cents a switch. They're a tactile, at least the version that I have is. Top housing is nylon, bottom housing is nylon. Stem is umwipe, 68 gram bottom mount, dual stage gold plated spring, 5-pin PCB mount, unlubed from the factory, and manufactured by Tactile. I'll include the link to them in the description below. Now, when I say they're rough but soft on the inside, I mean that they feel smooth, but something about the actuation makes it a little bit scratchy when typing. Oddly enough, when pressing the switch down, you can really feel the smoothness of the switch. But when typing, it almost kind of changes. It does seem that the tactile bump is relatively early, and I suspect that this is the cause of the roughness. The softness is because of the bottom mount. It is a very smooth bottom mount and doesn't have any harshness at all. I would describe it almost like halfway between the softness of a silent switch and a non-silent switch in its feel. Because of this, the tactiles are not very loud at all, but have an extremely deep sound profile. Even in this stacked acrylic keyboard, which is a stiffer material, it still tends to be very deep and slightly muted. Here's a typing test so you can see for yourself. Keep in mind that the switch's sound will vary by mic, variables in the room, the keyboard, etc. So what are my thoughts on the switches? I don't particularly like them, but as you know, if you watch my other videos, I'm not much of a tactile user. I think this could be nice in an office setting because it really gives you solid feedback without being too loud. By no means do I think this is a light tactile, and it is actually fairly pronounced, even though it is in the beginning. Again, it has a very soft bottom mount, so if you like a nice hard clack against the bottom, you probably won't find that here. It's also interesting because the weight feels heavy, but the bottom mount isn't hard. The softness seems like it's made to prevent fatigue, but the weight kind of contradicts that. In the end, they feel like something that's made for novelty, which is why I chose the tactile ones for the red color. I don't have the linears, but I would like to try them if I ever got the chance. Are they bad? No. Are they for everyone? Definitely not. But they look nice, and some people will definitely enjoy this typing feel. Just make sure it's appropriate for you. And yeah, thank you for watching. I appreciate the support I've been getting, especially on my streams, and if you get the chance, I'd love to hang out with you guys on Twitch. The link can be found below. I hope you guys have a great day, and stay squared.